Well, hello, pipe smokers. It's me, Mike. Tobacco Pipe Collectors here. Just checking in again. Smoking my ND pipes. Daniel Mustran out of Croatia. TPC Family Pipe Makers member and one of the sponsors of the giveaway. TPC Mac. Got a bunch of new pipes to show that are going to be given away. We're up to 22 pipes. 22 winners. I know of at least one more coming in. Smoking trusty Mississippi River in this blowfish. It's a great pipe. Smokes fabulous. Really smooth, very comfortable. Daniel's pipes are very nice. Somebody's going to win one of his pipes. I'm going to put my little mini glove on and we'll start up with some of these pipes that came in. This one comes from our dear friend, good friend of TPC's, been with us for quite a while. Bing's Ants by Philip Rivara. Beautiful pipe from Phil. I mean, this thing under an ounce. I think it was 0.8 ounces. Handsome pipe. Love that Phil's turning everything in his shop. So that band is actually hand turned by Phil himself. Stem works super. Phil's doing great stuff. That's gonna go to somebody. Bing's Ants. Could be yours. Thank you, Phil. Great pipe. Phil's got some available pipes on the website as well. Who's next? IB Pipes. Ian Barnes. Out of Canada. With this wicked looking eye horn. I don't know if he's got a name for it. It's got a cool blast on it. Very unique shape. Ian's doing some amazing stem work. I like how he's got the stem cut to match the shape of the pipe. Just a cool pipe. This should smoke very well. IB Pipes. Ian Barnes. Thanks, Ian. Great pipe. We'll stick with Canada. Another TPC Family Pipe Makers member. Cody Perkins. CR Perkins. Sent in this beauty. Danish egg. Hexagonal shank. Cumberland stem. Cool metal cap on the shank. Way cool. Great pipe. Cody does some great work. Steps outside of the box quite often with his shaping. Really neat pipe. Stem works fantastic. By all accounts, should smoke fantastically. Cody Perkins. CR Perkins pipes. Could be yours. We're gonna give it away. What the hey? Kind of lost track of where we've been. We've got so many pipes. This is Alex's 4th year with a pipe in this giveaway. Fat Bastard Pipes of the YouTube fame. Great pipes. His pipes are way cool. A lot of handwork he does on these. And they smoke super thick walls. They're a little chunkier pipes, but they smoke like freight trains. Great pipes. Fat Bastard Pipes. Alex. Out of Denmark / USA. Great guy. Thank you, Alex. Okay, Brendan. 363 pipes. I watched him make this pipe. I watched him struggle with perfection on his stem and finally got one that worked out beautifully. Olive wood, beautiful bent billiard, nice sweeping curves. It's a great pipe. 363 pipes. Thank you, Brendan. Yes, dear. I'm in the middle of this.
I know. I love you.
I love you too. Alright, one more pipe and then some tobacco sent in. M Stout pipes. This is really a cool pipe. Little acorn, fig, if you will. Bent. Cumberland stem. Cool finish. Nice size. It's really a nice pipe. I had a chance to check this one out. Quite lightweight. Nice trumpet on the airway. Cool pipe. This could be yours. This is definitely a nice clenching pipe here. Super light. M Stout pipes. Doing some great work, Mark. Thank you very much. Alright, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more we added here, which I think will bring us up to 22 pipes. I'm going to hurry up and show some other stuff here. This comes in from Diabetic Man, the Diabetic Man, on YouTube. He sent in a bunch of tobacco just to give away in the contest. A lot of it I haven't tried, and I won't get to try because I'm going to give it to you guys. One of my personal favorites, Dunhill Flake, some Samuel Goeth. These will go out. I'll divvy them up. Maybe top 3 drawn. Oldie but goodie. Formers, straight grain. I have never had that. From 2012. Old Shenandoah. Barrel number 76. And some Davidoff from 2013. The Danish mixture. Good stuff. So I'll divvy that up to go out to the top 3 winners probably. And some snuff. Some toke. It's good. Good. A dozen a pinch if you're having a little bit of a fit. Yeah. And I showed the accessories, all the leather that's come in. May have another leather pouch come in, if I recall. And then, like I said, at least one more pipe, and I think that's it. If you order a t-shirt, they've been printed and they are on their way to me. And then I'll get them together and shipped out as soon as possible. So that should not be long. We will have the shirts out before the contest falls. Got a bunch to ship out. No worries. We got it. Thank you to those that responded about my question on the last video, who motivated them into making their videos. Yeah, awesome. I think that's it. If you're following on Facebook and Instagram, today I started individual sponsor spotlights, little tidbits and the pipe or whatever they had donated. And I'll continue that on for the next few weeks probably. And then the contest, like I said, probably within the next week we will have the rules streamlined. We're going to try and make this as easy to do as possible. Scavenger hunt itself, I can't guarantee will be easy, but you'll know exactly what to do. The rules will be plain and simple. Alright, pipe smokers, it's good to see you. I'll go play with Princess, finish this pipe first, and I will talk to you soon. Sweet smokes.